Hello everybody, welcome to my channel DIY with Knickknack, where no mess is too big to clean up. To start out by saying thank you to my subscribers. Although I have not been able to post a video in a very long time, I've still been getting subscribers and I'm so grateful to God and I'm grateful to you all. This video is a little bit different than what I normally post. This is not a DIY video. Although I did craft the DIYs in this video, today I'm just going to be sharing with you all how I style them on my tier tray. Most of my items came from the Dollar Tree, one of them came from the Target dollar spot, and some of them came from the 99-cent only store. And let me tell you, do not sleep on that store. I found some really cute items to craft with from the 99-cent only. All except one of my craft items costed me $1.25, and one of them costed me $3. This tier tray was extremely inexpensive to create and super fun to style. So much fun creating these crafts. Once I put everything together, this is what it turned out looking like. I absolutely love it. I love Bumblebee theme. I plan to post another video. I did a much more Bumblebee crafts using Dollar Tree items, 99-cent only items, and some Target dollar spot items as well. Lord willing, I'll get that video posted soon because I have some really cute crafts in there. I hope you guys tune in for that one as well. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you.